Okay, so a few more things I got for last night because I went to Dollar General. Obviously, a couple things I might actually put in here. I may I may make these into kits. This is clear zipper pouches, about $3 each. What says Happy Mind, Happy Life. I'm gonna use that for a kit. Only cost $3. Okay. And Sunshine on My Mind, also $3. I may use these as little inside kits. Another thing I got, because of the carving instruments, and one looks like it could be used for sewing. This Ultimate Carving Kit, $3. I might use this as a shovel. I might use this as a saw. Yeah. And it looks like I can actually put these on, you can't see it, but it is hollow. So I may actually put that with whatever. Now, for my canteen, costs $5. It's a hydration bottle, opposed to dehydration bottle, right? This does have this on it, but this is easily taken off. Or it could be used as a lure, like a whatever, you know. It's one of these type bottles. I did have one, but it went first time I tried it. The thing about this is it comes with has that, which is pretty cool. It's one of these type bottles, by the way. What is that? I'd say $5 is not that bad for it, to be honest. Let's just get real here on that. So yeah, more stuff for the survival kit. I chose this because it's more pliable, and I can easily put it on this stuff via this. That is a very weak carabiner, I can tell. That's my favorite shade of blue, anyway. But yeah, $5 is not that bad for something like this, actually. Yeah. Now I'm gonna see what I can use. Try to use for this. I could probably use some of the other like the little ones. I could probably use them all for like sawing, like little sawing tasks. You know, I forgot what this called. Descaling, I think. I don't know what I can use these small little peg looking things for. These, but I could use them. You know, for something. Uh, I'm thinking toiletry and first aid kit. You know, if I decide to do a little bit more better, like kind of a trauma-ish one. So yeah. Of course, how you get this open is this. You twist it to it goes like that. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect size. Then it easily, does that. So yeah. I mean, it will work for what I need it to do. Even like this, it'll work for what I need it to do. So I'm gonna clean it, put it in. Actually, I need to clean the book bag. I forgot to wash that. But yeah, just some stuff I got. 9 piece. One, yeah, I can 9 piece. Actually, this could be used more as a trowel. But, whatever. So yeah, that's some stuff I got for the file kit. I didn't have any of this. Like, I had like one of these, but they were like one of those smaller kid ones. Yeah, you don't know. I go to Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and all that for a lot of stuff that y'all won't think would be survival kit or prepping. I want people to get that mind that you can prep and make pretty much anything into a survival thing. Oh, it's 24 ounces. That's nice. It tells you 24 ounces or 700 milliliter. It's BPA free. Thank God I didn't have to pay for the BPAs. This I'll use for like I don't know. I could use it for something. I try to use everything on these things. Like, actually, these being clear would be really good. Yes. So yeah, that's just a few things for the kit. I'll probably wrap this the some of the stuff I'm using from the clothing kit. I'll probably wrap that in tinfoil, so I can use the tinfoil too for stuff. I know I'm using tinfoil, like good quality tinfoil, not the cheapo stuff. I'm gonna use Widow's wrap when I get a chance to go get it, cause I don't know if I have any. Then all I need is like a box, and I can make a solo oven. So yeah. Oh wait, I do have a thing for solo oven. Ha! I forgot. That's going in there too. Like I'm thinking, okay, if I had to do literally long term survival, right? What would I do? Yeah. What would I do? What would me, someone who thinks about making inch bags, what would I put into it for long term to screw y'all guys? I'm gone type kit. That's what I do. That's my philosophy. So I digress. This has been post apoc survival, and I'm out.